Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to discover the mystery behind the toy we always play when we are small. The hand helicopter. So probably not many of you know how hand helicopter works. Today I will explain, discover how it works, and how it will be affected by the moving air, which is the wind. Now we are going to look at the animation to find out how it works. So, from the animation, we can see that when we spin the can helicopter, we can know that it's a whole body spinning. When it spins, the air on top of it gets pushed to the sides and sink it down. When sink it down, the air on which the place that pushes the air away, that place will be empty because there's no air right there. So you need to replace that place with more air. If not, the pressure will be unequally and the air spray will be unequally. So the air which gets pushed down rises up to refill that place, which when the air rises, bring the hand helicopter up. So many of you will question that why the air on the side not refill the place back? That's because the hand helicopter pushes the air to the side, which blocks and forces the air on the side not refilling back to the place directly. The airing path for the air to refill that place as from the bottom and rise it up. So why it will stop? Because if we spin it, yeah, it's going up, but the air resistance will slow it down. When it spins less and less, the kinetic energy will be less, which will be less force to push the air back, which makes the air on the side refill it back. So the air has another path to refill the place. Not only rise it up, but also the air on the side to replace that place, which makes the air not rising up because they don't need to. They just refill on the side. So no air to push the hand helicopter up, so it falls down. So why is it falls down when no force is pushing up? Because the Earth's gravitational force is pulling it downwards, which pull it down. Also, sometimes you not spin it too fast and not get it up. Not many air rises, which the gravitational force will be greater than the rising air force which not bring up. Also because the span not very fast, not push enough air, or maybe non-air, not even any air, push it down, which makes the air on the side to refill back, so it will not fly up. Now we see another animation. From this animation we can see, yes, this is how it works, how it flies up, but also we involve the wind, which is the movement of the air. So the wind on this animation is from the right to the left. Yes, the process still continues, but we have the wind. When the wind comes in, it will forces the hand helicopter go with it. Just like when you push something, it will go where you push it. So the air pushes the hand helicopter to the left. So it flies to the left. Sometimes, if they have strong wind, it can fly up. Why it is that? Because when the air was so strong, which yes, the process how it works is spin it, push the air inside to outside, which also stops the air on the side to refill it in. But when the wind, which is the movement of the air, was so strong that it cancel or even greater than the force, which pushes it back. So the wind will refill the place in, which make it also going down and falls to the ground. When the air, well, this is not very common, when the air is on the top of it, it will only bring it down. When the air only on the bottom of the hand helicopter, which also not very common, it will just push it to the side, not bring it down by the wind. When the wind is both sides, also push it up and also push the bottom side. It will be the common one which we all have outside when we play the hand helicopter. It will push it to the side and it will fall down. Not only push it to the side, but also to the ground. Technically not. When push it to the ground, the gravity force is just the wind refills the place at which it does not have air, which make it not enough force to bring up, so you bring down. Then you bring it down and will bring down to the ground, which this is how it works. Well, probably if you really want to experiment it, you can use like a hair dryer or something to simulate the wind, which you can put it on the top, which is not even common outside into nature. If you put it at the top, not only it will refill the place with the non-air, but also the wind, the force push it down, with the gravitational force. If you have the wind going down to up, if you have enough strong air, it will fly there up. If you only have small wind, not enough air forces to push it up, it will still come down by the gravitational force if the span slows down. Sometimes you can find out if you place a hand helicopter that when the wind comes, it will spin faster when going sometimes because the wind goes in a particular angle which pushes the spin, make it faster. Yes, it will slow down if it has enough force to come into the place with no air to refill it, which can bring it out with the gravitational force. But if it only goes to the span which fasten it in a typically angle, it will bring it up. Spin faster, which pulls the air to the side faster, which have more forces from the rising up air, which bring it high up to the sky much faster and much higher. So that's how that works. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can tell me in down the comment section. Just tell me how I do it wrong or something like that. Thank you for watching.